This is the drone, guys. And it's the Mavic Mini that I told you about. And the Mavic Mini. And this is the name over here. This new drone is so expensive. Isn't he cute? He's a little baby. See, guys? And I will put it down a little bit. So I'll put it slowly because it's so breakable. And I have the controller. It's very nice to hold. You can come outside with me if you want because I'm so excited. So yeah, if you want to come with me, you can come. So we're gonna meet you outside and I will meet you there. So I'm back home. Did you enjoy the flight of my Mavic Mini? Make sure to subscribe and I hope you like the video and I will see you next time.